हेलो गाइस, आई होप कि आप सब लोग घर पर सेफ है। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं डेवलपमेंट के टॉप एमसीक्यूज एंड इन एमसीक्यूज के पीडीएफ की लिंक तो मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है। सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने लेक्चर अच्छे से कर रखा है तो आप लोग जाके उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर सकते हैं और उन्हें भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर डेवलपमेंट अदर देन इनकम? ऑप्शन ए पर कैपिटा इनकम, ऑप्शन बी लिटरेसी, ऑप्शन सी नेट अटेंडेंस रेशियो, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Second question comes here. Which of the following neighboring country of India has higher HDI rank than India? Option A Sri Lanka, option B Nepal, option C Pakistan, option D none of the above. And the correct answer is Sri Lanka. Third question comes here. Which of the following state has the highest literacy rate according to 2018 study reports? Option A Haryana, option B Bihar, option C Punjab, option D Kerala. And the correct answer is Kerala. Fourth question comes here. What is the full form of PDS? Option A Public Distribution System, option B Public Development System, option C Public Division System, option D Public Discussion System. And the correct answer is Public Distribution System. Fifth question comes here. Dash is an example of renewable resource. Option A petroleum, option B crude oil, option C groundwater, option D coal resources. And the correct answer is groundwater. Sixth question comes here. Literacy rate measures the proportion of literate population in the age group. Option A above 5 years, option B above 12 years, option C 7 years, and option D above 6 years. And the correct answer is above 7 years. Seventh question comes here. The average income of a person is called. Option A total income, option B per capita income, option C gross income, option D per nation income. And the correct answer is per capita income. Eighth question comes here. UNDP can be expanded as. Option A United Nations Development Program, option B United Nations Diversity Playground, option C United Nations Democratic Program, option D none of these. And the correct answer is United Nations Development Program. Ninth question comes here. Based on per capita income, India comes in category of. Option A middle income group, option B low income group, option C high income group, option D low middle income group. And the correct answer is low middle income group. 10th question comes here. Which of the following statement defines sustainable development? Option A sustainable use of natural resources without considering the need of future generation as well. Option B present generation fulfill its needs while considering the needs of future generations as well. Option C it means utilization of natural resources by past, present and forthcoming future generation. Option D to meet the needs of future generations even if the needs of present generation go unmet. And the correct answer is present generation fulfill its needs while considering the needs of future generation as well. 11th question comes here. Human Development Report is published by. Option A UNDP, option B World Bank, option C IMF and option D WHO. And the correct answer is UNDP. 12th question comes here. India's HDI rank in world is. Option A 125, option B 115, option C 126, option D 134. And the correct answer is 126. 13th question comes here. What will be the top priority in the developmental goals of a land laborers? Expansion of rural banking, option B more days of work and better wages, option C establishment of high school, option D metal roads for transportation. And the correct answer is more days of work and better wages. 14th question comes here. What was the literacy rate in Kerala in 2011? Option A 82, option B 94, option C 62, option D 50. And the correct answer is 94. 15th question comes here. Life expectancy at birth means. Option A average expected length of life of a person at the time of birth, option B average expected length of life of a person at the time of death, option C average expected length of a child at the time of birth, option D none of the above. And the correct answer is average expected length of life of a person at the time of birth. 16th question comes here. What will be the aspiration of an educated urban employed youth? An educated urban unemployed youth will aspire for better opportunities in agriculture. Option B support from government at every step in life for his upward movement. Option C an urban educated unemployed will aspire for good job opportunities where his education can be made use of. Option D better facilities for recreation for his leisure time. And the correct answer is better facilities of recreation for his leisure time. 17th question comes here. Which of the following is the most important component for comparing different countries? Option A, population. Option B, income. Option C, per capita income. Option D, resources. And the correct answer is per capita income. 18th question comes here. Which one of the following is the most important attribute while comparing the level of development of various countries? Option A, population. Option B, social status. Option C, political status. Option D, per capita income. And the correct answer is social status. 19th question comes here. Pick out the correct meaning listed below to define average income. Option A, average income of country means total income of country. Option B, average income in a country is the income of only employed people. Option C, average income is same as per capita income. Option D, average income includes the value of property held. And the correct answer is average income is same as per capita income. 20th question comes here. In which state of India is the infant mortality rate lowest? Option A, Goa. Option B, Bihar. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Option D, Kerala. And the correct answer is Goa. 21st question comes here. Which country can be considered as a developed country in modern world? Select your answer from following statement. Option A, countries which have accumulated huge amount of wealth and always secure the future of their citizens. These countries are considered to be developed. Option B, countries which are among the highest in Human Development Index are considered to be the developed countries. Option C, only rich countries are considered to be developed because people have money to buy everything needed for human beings, both material and non-material things. Option D, Iran is a rich country and therefore it is a developed country. And the correct answer is countries which are among the highest in Human Development Index are considered to be the developed countries. 22nd question comes here. Underemployment occurs when people, option A, do not want to work. Option B, working in a lazy manner. Option C, are working less than what they are capable of doing. Option D, are not paid for their work. And the correct answer is are working less than what they are capable of doing. 23rd questions come here. HDI stands for Human Development Index that focuses on option A, life expectancy. Option B, gross enrollment ratio for 3 levels of schooling. Option C, national income. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. 24th question comes here. Which of the following is most likely to be a developmental goal for landless rural labor? Option A, higher support prices for their crops. Option B, they should be able to settle their children abroad. Option C, raised wages. Option D, none of these. And the correct answer is raised wages. 25th question comes here. Kerala has a low infant mortality rate. What could be the reason? Find the correct answer from following. Option A, Kerala has a low infant mortality rate because all the girls are trained at the primary level schooling to look after a newborn child. Option B, because most of the girls are nurses in Kerala. Option C, because Kerala has very high female literacy rate and adequate health facilities are available for both mother and children. Option D, Kerala's good climatic condition help infants to survive. And the correct answer is because most of the girls are nurses in Kerala. 26th question comes here. According to the World Development Report, a country is considered rich when the per capita income is more than which of the following figures? Option A, 24,000 per annum. Option B, 37,000 per annum. Option C, 4,53,000 per annum. Option D, 5,43,000 per annum. And the correct answer is 4,53,000 per annum. 27th question comes here. What would be the most promising source of energy 50 years from now and why? Option A, petroleum energy because it is obtained from fossil fuel. Option B, solar energy because it is not exhaustible. Option C, coal based energy because it is pollution free. Option D, forest product based energy because India has abundant forest. And the correct answer is solar energy because it is not exhaustible. 28th question comes here. Pick out the cause that enhances environmental degradation. Option A, planting of trees. Option B, prevention of factory waste getting mixed up with river water. Option C, ban on use of plastic bags. Option D, allowing increase in the level of exhaust fumes emitted by cars, buses, trucks, etc. And the correct answer is allowing increase in the level of exhaust fumes emitted by cars, buses, trucks, etc. 29th question comes here. Which one of the following statement define literacy rate? Option A, total literate population divided by total population. Option B, total literate population divided by literate population. Option C, proportion of illiterate population in 18 and above age group. Option D, it measures proportion of literate proportion in 7 years and above age group. And the correct answer is proportion of illiterate population in 18 and above age group. 30th question comes here. One common developmental goal among the people is family, freedom, income or security. And the correct answer is income. 31st question comes here. Which of the following things money cannot buy? Option A, building. Option C, flowers. Option D, books. And option B, pollution free environment. And the correct answer is pollution free environment. 32nd question comes here. Which one of the following is not a feature of developing country? Option A, agriculture as major occupation. Option B, high technical development. Option C, mass poverty. Option D, mass illiteracy. And the correct answer is high technical development. 33rd question comes here. Human Development Index compares countries based on which of the following level of the people? Option A, educational. Option B, health status. Option C, per capita income. Option D, all the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. 34th question comes here. Developmental goal for a girl from a rich family is option A, to get more days of work. Option B, to get as much freedom as her brother gets. Option C, to get electricity. Option D, to get better wages. And the correct answer is to get as much freedom as her brother gets. Question 35 comes here. Per capita income is option A, income per person. Option B, income per family. Option C, income for earning person. Option D, income per month. And the correct answer is income per person. 36th question comes here. Which one of the following is a developmental goal for industrialist? Option A, to get more days of work. Option B, to get better wages. Option C, to get more electricity. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is to get more electricity. 37th question comes here. The countries with per capita income of US dollar 955 according to 2017 or less are termed as option A, low income country. Option B, developing. Option C, developed countries. Option D, rich countries. And the correct answer is low income countries. 38th question comes here. Developmental goals of different sections of our society can be achieved by option A, force. Option B, democratic political process. Option C, violent agitation. Option D, टेररिज्म. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डेमोक्रेटिक पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस. तो गाइज यही थे हमारे टॉप MCQs जिनके बारे में मैंने तुम्हें अच्छे से बता दिया है. नीचे PDF की जो लिंक है उससे तुम और अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लेना और उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर लेना. और चैनल पे नए हो तो हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन, क्योंकि जितने चैप्टर तुम्हारे टर्म 1 में आ रहे हैं सबके MCQs कुछ इसी प्रकार से तुम्हारे पास आ रहे होंगे. ठीक, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, गुड बाय.